so it's like super empty for the first time. Like midnight soon, and I'm going to take a plane to Taipei and meet the Dr.Wu family. And yeah, we are flying all the way to Taipei because we are going to uncover one of the most exciting whitening range, and I totally need it because I got a crazy tan from Bali and Thailand. So let's go! I've arrived in Taipei, so it's like super empty for the first time. I have to be up at 10, so let's hope the hotel is near. And yeah, I can get some sleep. Wow, 好多华语字哦。Hi. We're here in Taipei. Hello. He brought me here for breakfast because I think there's no breakfast in the hotel yet. But we're gonna eat doujiang now. This is the salty soybean milk. This is the sweet one because I'm basic. It's 10, our day has started and we are in the bus. Hey, Team Singapore. Hey.
其实上面的画的东西都是关于我们Dr.Wu过去的历史啊，都是采比较开放的感觉，所以大家都可以互相一起工作啊，沟通。
Being a distraction to everybody. Hi. Hello. Hey. Hello. So I just checked into my room and I'm going to show you guys a room tour right now. We're in room 1206. And this is the overview of the room. This is the press kit from the Dr.Wu event just now. Hey! So let's start here. This is the restroom. We have the toilet, a little sink, a pretty mirror, and this is a cupboard so you can actually store your clothes, towels, shoes. That's for your luggage. Here's the bed. And we have a little study table. The room is so beautiful. And oh, here's a little welcome gift from Dr.Wu. Let's unbox our welcome gift. So this is the first pouch. It's so pretty. How do we open this? And we have two masks. Oh, this is the mask that I actually like. This is the hydrating system mask from Dr.Wu. It's really good. All the little minis. So this is the gentle cleansing foam, and we have a gentle cleansing milk, intense hydrating essence toner, a lotion, as well as, oh so cute, a baby intensive hydrating serum. Thank you, Dr.Wu. There's a card, and then we also have a welcome note. It says, "Welcome aboard, winter." Aww. Oh my god, there's more food. We have a box of nuggets. You guys know me the best. Like, I love nuggets and I can't wait to eat it. And in here, we have a Taiwanese instant noodle. So, let's move on to the rest of the room. We have a little sitting area right here. And this is the shower. So, the basin with all our wash necessities. Hi again! This is the coolest shower ever. Like, that is the shower. You can pass off as a tub as well where you can soak. And this is the patio. Open this. Wow! Check out the view. God, it's so cold! And a little sitting area again. So this is going to be my home for the next 2 nights before I move off to another hotel. And yeah, thank you so much Dr. Wu for having me here. I can't wait to explore more about the brand. Today we learned so much about it and I can't wait to use Glutalight. Like they gave us a basket of Glutalight. I'm using it tonight because it's really nourishing and soft and my skin felt like amazing after just applying 1 layer. So I'm definitely going to use it, and apparently some people have amazing results after 14 days. So let's hope I get clearer, fairer skin. So yes, now I'm just going to wash up and go for shopping before our gala dinner tonight. Ciao!
So funny.
Morning! He's telling us raining is not a bad thing. Like, it's quite romantic. And you can just hold umbrella and feel sad by yourself.
And there's a karaoke.
Oh yeah.
This car.
Yeah, man! 还是你唱给我们听吧。
我唱歌，你们就会急着要下车。
对啦，我会听你唱。
So we reached the cafe. This is Smile Cafe and it's super cute. Some of us will be doing the Glutalight drip for whitening and the pico laser, so we'll see how it's giving up. Oh Jesus, I'm very scared. Can't find my bead. That is the drip that's coming down to my hands. And for people to actually go through this on a weekly basis just to feel beautiful, it's just really, I don't know, heartbreaking. And I just want to remind you guys that all of you are beautiful in your own way. And I mean, I'm not shading this process. It's definitely efficacious because you are putting all the vitamins and glutathione right into your bloodstream. And it definitely works. If not, nobody would do it, right? And there's like a huge market for people to do this. Just that, I don't know, is there a need? And yeah, there's so many like topical products right now, and even with the new Glutalight that has topical glutathione, I think it's a much more better alternative. You don't have to waste 40 minutes, you don't have to go through this ordeal, you don't have to get needles stuck into your arm. Yeah. I'm not gonna talk to you guys because I want to shop, so yeah. Good morning! It's day 2, technically day 3 in Taipei, and it's still raining, and I've just checked into my new hotel. It's this Green World at Zhongxiao. Right now I'm just walking to a nearby cafe that's really cute. So apparently like this district used to be like really hip, so yeah, let's go. transport in Taipei is really easy. I finally found chocolate. I was looking for it for like the past 2 days, but we couldn't find it. Here we go. It's so good. Guys, it's so exhausting to travel in the rain, but finally reached the new hotel I managed to check in. This is Greenwell Hotel in Zhongxiao. So this is the bathroom. It's very clean and new, and there's even a TV there. Like the shower, the toilet, and my view is right off the road, and there's a giant Zara there, which I'm going to shop in a bit. It's quite a nice view, and yep. Here's the bed, and it's just right beside the train station, so it's really easy to walk. This location is really good. Like, there's a lot of shops nearby. Like, I was just shopping around, and there's also cafes, so we have like tons of Adidas, Aldo, really cool shops. Like a Starbucks is just right opposite, Zara, Watsons, and yeah. Apparently this is the hip area it used to be, so it's quite a good hotel. Cheers! We are here at Raohe Street Market, so to get here you need to take the MRT to Songshan Station. So it's my last day here in Taipei, and today I'm going to a bunch of cafes because I want to show you guys the cafe culture in Taiwan.